Most of the time, Crypterium is worth 10 cents. Crpt's intraday volume stays at $1,177,930 in a quiet way. Bears, in particular, has been set at 9 cents. Most people thought that a mass of Crypteriums showed a trend of going down. The 8th of May, 2023, in this video, we'll show you how much Crypterium costs now or in the next week, and we'll try to answer the questions that come up most often. Crypterium support and resistance levels, etc., are important in many ways, but before we get too deep into Crpt technical research, let's talk about the kind of economy, or so they thought. Market analysis, which is a very important article, shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1,136,850,397.543, while the total trading volume remains at $47,516,158,315. Bitcoin makes up 46.94% of the market. While Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, they thought that this was what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $27,561.87 after a drop of 4.43%. This is very important for other digital currencies, as Ethereum's value has dropped by 3.71% to 1841.73 in the last 24 hours. BNB traded at $313.13 after its value changed by 3.17% in the same time period. This shows that other digital currencies, such as Ethereum, have seen their value drop by 3.71% to $1,841.73 in the last 24 hours. This is an additional look, but before getting too deep into the Crpt, we should talk about the real economy. XRP is a type of local currency. Its value is roughly $6.93, and it's currently worth 42 cents in a major way. Moreover, after losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents. They thought these events showed that the market is generally going down at the moment. They also thought that the crypto market is currently experiencing a very wide, mostly bad drop. Crypterium support and resistance showing how XRP, the local currency of Crypterium, is usually around 6.93 and is now trading at 42 cents in a quiet way. Support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where the trend can change. Support is a level at which buyers usually become more confident. After losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents. Here are the support and resistance levels of Crypterium. Crypterium execution. The very current Crypterium price in a real census is 10 cents, with a trading amount of $1,177,930 in the form of beyond 24 hours. It's clear that right now, the whole crypto market is going down in a big way. Since yesterday, the market value of Crpt has been around $5.67, and its market capitalization is $8,382,866 US. This means that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total value of the digital currency market to $1,136,853,975,433. Crypterium price analysis. Crpt price analysis for May 8, 2023, in a way that makes sense on a day-to-day basis below, which is why it's important to use relative strength index, moving average assembly, and uniqueness. Backing levels, opposition levels, and different time period moving midpoints, such as kind of simple moving extremely normal and outstanding moving extremely normal, were used to predict how the Crypterium would develop in the future. Backing and opposition in every way or important technical markers were used to find key price levels where the trend could go in a different direction, or so they thought. All things considered, the crypto market is taking a big drop right now, which is a big deal. On the other hand, if the bears take control and the CRPT price doesn't break out above 12 cents, it could fall back to the key support at 9 cents, which means Crypterium is currently worth 10 cents. Most of the time, CRPT's intraday volume stays at $1,177,930. Contrary to what most people think, the MACD line is still below the signal line after a hybrid showing how we use relative strength index, moving average and difference backing levels. Blockage levels and different timeframe moving midpoints, such as smooth moving often normal and dramatic moving sort of normal, can be used to predict how the market will move in the future. Backing and opposition are important technical markers that are used to identify key price levels where the trend can go in a different direction, which is really important. Crypterium financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday diagram sort of additional appearance. How while distributing this block BNB exchanged at $313.13 following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time span, exhibiting that various elective digital currency as ETHEREUM, for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 3.71% coming to 1841.73 during the past 24 hours, truly further appearance how. Yet prior to jumping truly profound into the CRPT specialized investigation really let us certainly discuss the genuinely current economic situations certainly in spite of prevalent thinking the in every way that really matters relative strength file for CRPT coin in a real sense is at present drifting at 32 for 14 days by and large normal line which especially imply CRPT generally is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, so Crypterium backing and opposition showing how XRP the in every way that really matters local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere near 6.93 and right now exchanging at 42 cents or so they in a real sense thought, while CRPT's Williams % marker is at 75.686 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition and exchange sort of sign explicitly is conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the CR. Tuesday, the price of Bitcoin stayed below a key price floor as investors got ready for retail sales data from the U.S. As inflation starts to slow down, sales in the U.S. are expected to go up after going down for 2 months. Ethereum's price is still more than $1,800. Bitcoin, BTC, prices stayed the same during today's session as markets got ready for the latest U.S. retail sales numbers. As inflation goes down, sales